Okay, so welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to hack a WordPress site using WPScan. But first of all, let's learn how to install WordPress on your local machine. So go to the WordPress site and click the download button. I already done this process, and now select the zip file and extract to XAMPP htdocs folder. I assume by now that you know what is XAMPP. Now go ahead and start the Apache and MySQL database server. Once done with that, open your browser and type your local IP address, and you'll be brought to the installation process. Here select the language of your choice, and next it's going to ask some database details. I haven't created a database yet, so I'm going to open a new tab and type my local IP address /phpMyAdmin and click databases. I'm going to create a new database called DB and click create. By default, phpMyAdmin creates a username root which doesn't have a password. Now you can close this tab and go back to your WordPress installation and click Let's Go. The database name is DB in my case. Username is root with no password and press submit. And then run the install. Here just fill in the information. For site title I will put web security. Username admin. Password just let me in and the email address, and click on install WordPress. Now I will log in using my username and password that I just set, and here is the WordPress dashboard. On the left you can see the menu. To see how the site looks like, click visit site. Okay, so now let's learn how to hack this WordPress site. For that, I will switch to my Kali Linux and open the WPScan tool. The first time you run it, I recommend updating the database by typing wpscan-update, and you will see the update has completed. To scan your website, type wpscan-URL and the WordPress site which you want to perform the scan. In my case, this is the local website which I have set up. You can replace this with any WordPress site, but make sure you are the owner. After the scan is complete, you can see important information such as WordPress version, the theme that is using, and some plugins. To see the vulnerable plugins, add -- enumerate VP. If vulnerable plugins are found, you will see red exclamation icons and reference to further information. You can also check for vulnerable themes. Just replace the P with T for themes. Okay, now let's enumerate the login names of users. For that, all you need to do is put U at the end of the command and press enter. As you can see, the login name is admin, but I don't have the password. In order to crack the password, I will perform a brute force attack using a word list. So go ahead and use the following command: wpscan-URL -- word list, and I'm going to drag and drop the word list here. And then -- username admin and press enter. Please remember, this is a dictionary attack. If the password is not in the word list, the attack will fail. As you can see, the password was found. At this point you can log into the WordPress admin dashboard by typing the site address /wp-admin and press login, and now I'm logged as admin. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.